Hello, good day friends. Once again we are here. Now today I'll define you somehow the last topic I defined you about the project work introduction. You knew how we work in the project work. Here I have some other tasks based on the same that we have been done. Friends, I want to tell you about how a project I have worked with that you could see here. As it is here, you see the icon. This is a media player that is created for running a media, and here it is another application that you could see is known as BDR Home, BDR Chrome. Okay, so BDR Chrome, what is BDR Chrome? BDR Chrome is made an application for battery only. Okay, so as I click it, so it will open. It will show how it is working. So here is the connection will displayed as how the database is being connected. Now it opens like this. Friends, you see here Badri Innovation, that is the education center which has different branches. Okay, here it is login. First you see here in the right side is sign up. So sign up details you have to fill here and then sign up. Once you create your ID, suppose somebody has name Ramesh and full name Ramesh Singh, or enter password, username is only Ramesh and password 123456. So the person can sign up. Okay, when the person will sign up, so the message will be displayed whether the sign-up process has been completed or not. Friends, it takes little time because the server may be not initialized proper. We must wait for small time, and as it will work, it will show us the message. Friends, this was the innovation project is used for only Badri Innovation. So now it says that you have signed up successfully. I click OK. Now the same username Ramesh and password 123456. If suppose I do 7 also, that's wrong password, it should show message that's not correct username or password. So friends, in this end you could see invalid username password. Okay, if you remove one password, one character of the password, now that is 6. Now it will be sign up. Friends, you could see this is you are welcome Ramesh Singh, and here it is, do you want to go to admin or not? Okay, so it will show you 2 login steps. If you want to admin for, so click OK. If not, then you can cancel. Okay, in both situations you are logged in, but if you want to go to admin, so click here OK. Suppose I click OK, so I will be visualize this page where I have all the menu bars like home, branches. If I click home, so that's home page, branches, the list of branches, and here it is the data entry like entry page or the report. The next one is you can change password. Here when you go to home, so you have this type of format where you have the date, and here is the administration button, and here it is you have the server if available. You could check out whether the server is available or not, and here it is enter registration number. If you really want to register some branches, so you have to enter here the registration number. Here it has the button displayed, the balance sheet button displayed, the branches button displayed, monthly report button display, certificate report, and printing required certificate. So this is the project work, and this is showing the branches. So there are the branches that you can list out also from here, or you also can enter from here one by one. So as you click the branch, suppose you enter to the third branch, so you could click here, okay, and here you have some other option that stops you. You have to use your username password, so you could go to there, otherwise you have to quit. So after that you will see this list of the third branch, whatever the details are given that you could see. Friends, now here you have entry page, where you have to enter the page, means you have to enter all the details of the required, the routine and the details of the topic. Even here is a security. If you remove the security, then you could enter to the page, and here you have all the details are according to the number as well as the formality. In this application, the people and the user can enter every record one by one, and even after clicking a single field, this combo box will update it for all the fields, as you could see here. And also you have this page which displays the list of entered data. Friends, you could search out by the branch code or somewhere else. Like if you want daily see 002, so there is no record, 003, no record, but you have to write with branch code as well as the row number. Suppose I need row number 4001, so the record will be displayed. You have to enter branch code 02 as well as the row number 4. So this is the way how you can search. Friends, you could update, submit, delete, or from grid view also you could change the data. Friends, you could go back, click on certification, as well as here you have examination report. So you could see what number of people have been given examination. That report you could see here, and how the numbers they got, percentage also available here, as well as you could update each of them through entering this number. This is roll number of the student. Here you have a particular test, you could update, or you could enter a new record. For that you don't need to update or click here. Directly enter the number from here, then you could enter it, or if you have to change some record, you could go there. Friends, this is the way how you can work in this project. Now you work on certificate entry. So here you have also available. You could enter the certification details of the student and click the course whatsoever there is. If you get these details, so you could feed the person with the record. Friends, you could see the details of the person for updation. Using this code, you could check out and update their records. Anybody the certificates have been printed, you could see the details, as well as you can print this detail. As you click here on the print, so you are redirected for the printing a page. After removing or using the security code, this will lead you like this design, so the data will be printed accordingly. Friends, here you have report, certificate report, how many people have been applied, this is all about. Friends, you could edit that from here or go to print. Friends, here you have the balance sheet, from which your total details of the balance sheet will be displayed. Any month, suppose you want to check out the third detail of 001 branch, fourth detail of 001 branch, or fourth report of 003 branch, so that will be displayed here with the payment or incentive, rent, and all things will be displayed, as well as this column is all about the liabilities of the balance sheet, and this is all about the assets of the branch. And if you really want to check things like branch code, submitting date, or the new students or the students center, certificate issued, requisited, or first student, and contact. These all things will be displayed. Or you want complete balance sheet till today, you can click this button. So you will display the total of that branch, whatsoever the branch had happened. Friends, you could click here for another branch report. You could see even that branch complete report you could see from here. Other option is here, which will display the organization, and this is the blog page. Friends, you could log out and you could see from here. The option will be given to go log out. If you want to log out, so you have to click OK. Friends, this is complete report of the Rudraprayag branch. Okay, from here this branch complete details it will be seen, and you can check out all the students record one by one. You could also display here to update, or you want to display complete data, you could click here. So you could see whatsoever there is like certificate taken, as well as you could see certificates available, or you could see this is all about the records of the people. Friends, this is the method how it could work. The same thing for the Srinagar branch. You have all the data, as well as you have the method update the data. So friends, from Srinagar you also can visualize to enter new data. This is Srinagar students new data. Friends, next option comes here for fine. If somebody is giving fine, so can be added here accordingly. If you want to check out the fine system, so you could see here, and whatsoever there is a matter that can be updated, as well as updated, all things are possible here that are given. Friends, this is the way to recalculate. If suppose you have deleted some records from this and you want to again recheck that, so you could recheck it from here. Friends, this is the complete project work of the branch updation, or making the administrative task of the branch properly. So friends, how you like this? If you like this all about, so please like and subscribe this video, or if you have some comments, please put up your comments between or the below of this video.